welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is today's video is going to be the BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you want to know my thoughts on this month's box, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and get started because you know, I'm trying to go and get my nails done, so I need to hurry up. I'm going to go ahead and do my unboxing for my BoxyCharm. Yes, I'm definitely excited for this month. Honestly, I have not seen any videos. Like, I always check, I do a sneak peek, and I always check like the review of videos, like other YouTubers, see if they filmed any videos, and like, you know, to check like what possibly I might get. But I'm not gonna lie, I did peek, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This month's theme is Stellar, so BoxyCharm Stellar. And then we have the little, oh, and they have like a little coupon for Dragon Beauty. I've never tried any of their products, or any of her products. I think she only has a couple products, but I would love to try it. Oh, and then they give you, they actually gave me a sample, or a couple samples, a few samples of the, Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. But I mean, what could you possibly do with these samples? I don't know, right? Like, you can wear it or try it out. So basically, if you don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription that I think now is like $25. I'm not really sure. Honestly, I can't remember. I know they were going up in price. It used to be like 21, and I don't know when exactly they were supposed to go up in price. I actually have not checked. I'm really good at checking, really bad at checking prices. But yes, it's a monthly subscription box that they send you like full 4 to 5, sometimes 6 products, depending on the sizes of the products. And they're all pretty much like high-end, great quality products. So I definitely love that, and that's why I continue to get it. I've been having BoxyCharm for like 3 years now, I think. So yeah, it's definitely good. You get, you know, more stuff. Just imagine like going through, trying to like go to like Ulta or like Sephora and like checking out each one. You'll definitely spend exactly like way more than what, you know, you pay for when you get the box. So anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this here just in case I need it, and then let's go ahead and get started. These two, this is okay, so this is the little brush set. It comes it comes 2 little brushes, or 2 brushes, Boxy exclusive brushes. These are the BoxyCharm 2-piece brush set. They retail for $35. Create your favorite look in natural and total luxury with our first ever BoxyCharm branded brush, the large multi-purpose brush, which is this one. Is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. So I'm excited to try. Oh my god, I'm so excited, and they're super soft, like super soft. So this one is a foundation brush, and then this one is a powder brush. And I already applied my moisturizer, so I'm good to go with that. So that's the, oh, let me put these back because I'm probably gonna use one today. I don't know if I'm gonna use both. So I definitely wanna try the foundation brush. So I'm gonna use this one. So I'll put this one back. Close that out. If I can close it. Okay. So then I'm gonna go ahead and, okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this one, and this is the antioxidant dewy quench and glow serum. So it made for skin desiring kiss of hydration. So like a hydrating serum, that's what it is. And this is Kairos. I know, okay, so for this month, I did get an email to choose what I wanted. I know last month they sent me an email as well, and honestly, they never sent me what I chose, so I was a little confused, or maybe I understood the email wrong. I don't know, because I know that we're having another Boxy Deluxe or Boxy Lux. I don't know how to say it. I can't remember. So, and I don't know if maybe it's coming in that, and that's what I had to choose, like an option to be able to choose for one. I don't know. But anyways, so with this one, I was able to choose. So I ended up choosing this one since I do have like super dry skin. And this is says apply several drops of antioxidant dewy to clean skin every morning and night for external use only. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it now. I mean, what's the worst that can happen, right? I already applied my moisturizer, but whatever. I don't know how I feel about this little thing. Okay. So I kind of feel like, let's see if my makeup goes on really soon. It's a little tacky feeling, so probably I am supposed to apply only at nights in the morning. And if it's good on underneath makeup, so I definitely will see right now. But this one retails for for $90. Okay. I have high hopes. I have high hopes for this. So yeah, let's see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna use these because I mean I already have my whole face on. So well, I already have like moisturizer and stuff, but these are for like the morning and night morning googling eye mask, and then evening googling eye mask. Morning eye mask is the cooling eye mask to brighten and depuff, and then the evening mask is an ultra relaxing eye mask that is made to aid in repairing the delicate eye area and to smooth fine lines. And these retail for $12. I don't know if both or each. I think a set. I want to say a set because it says set. So I think it's like $6 each, possibly. I don't know. So I'm definitely probably going to gift these. I'm probably going to gift these to my mother-in-law because I know she likes to have like things to depuff her eyes and stuff like that, and like fine lines and like wrinkles, even though she doesn't really have any. But still, I'm definitely going to give these to my mother-in-law. And then okay, so the next thing here, Celestial Thunder palette is Dominique Cosmetics, and then this one retails for $35, and it's just these colors here. Ooh, I don't know if you can see the brightness because it's like so bright, but I do like these shades. I don't know, I kind of want to use this one today. This one and this one. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, and again, this one retails for $35, so I'm definitely going to use these. Okay, so the next item in, or the last item in my boxycharm is the Dose of Colors lipstick, liquid matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Nude Mood, and this one retails for $18. So let me open this one. I've never tried a Dose of Colors lipstick, so I'm definitely excited. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, I'm definitely going to try this one on with my lip today. So I'm going to go ahead and just speed through the makeup process because I don't want to bore you with all that. And then I'll let you know what my thoughts are on the box today. I went ahead and finished the look. Now I know there was gonna be a little bit of part that was cut off because I ended up getting a call and I forgot to put record again, or so start the record button again. So I ended up like missing like half of the freaking eye tutorial or the eye look. But I went ahead and used the palette and I used pretty much a lot of the shades. I used the gray, and then I used these shimmer color, or not this one, and then I used a little bit of this one, and I just came up with actually like I did a wing line, and then I applied the lipstick, which I actually did like as well. The only thing I feel like out of the palette, or out of the box that I didn't like, honestly, I have to say, were the brushes. I feel like this one for powder is not good. It's too like dense. I feel like it doesn't move with my face, and I felt like it was moving my foundation around. Or I mean, I didn't really notice it too much. I think if I would have done it too like too fast, it would have moved my foundation. So I really didn't like it. Maybe this can probably work for like contouring or something, but I didn't like it for powder, that's for sure. And then the foundation brush, I feel like it took too long just to blend. Like, I think a beauty sponge would probably work the fastest. So yeah, I mean, it's okay. I definitely like the way it blended, but it started hurting my hand. Like, I kept getting tired after I was blending just too much. So I don't know how I feel about that, but I'll definitely continue to try to use it, see if maybe I can get the hang of it a little bit more. But all in all, I do feel like this was a great box this month. I definitely can't wait for next month to see what they have. But yeah, I think that completes the video, guys. I do want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.